Okay, YouTube, I think the time has come that we pull out the old snapper and start reconditioning this guy. Not sure how much we're going to do, how far we're going to go. I do think I want to pull the deck off because it cuts uneven. Also, when I run her, I hear something rubbing when I engage the drive. So I don't want to run her and mow with her until I start doing some maintenance on her and doing some repairs. We may go as far as tear her all down and paint her all back up. We'll see. Here she is, the old snapper. She is an 86 model. The reason I know this is because of this tag on the front. This says Berwyn Lawn Mower Shop, 50 years of service, 1936 to 1986. I know it's a high vac and it's extra tough because the stickers say so. But it's been a pretty good little mower. I bought it for 250 bucks about 3 or 4 years ago. I ran it a couple seasons. It's got the, I believe it's an 8 horse. No, it's an 11 horse. Industrial and commercial engine on it, Briggs & Stratton. There's your numbers for your engine. And the other way I know how to tell it's an 86 is by the engine code, and I'm sure this is the original engine. But that 86, the first 2 digits is 86, which is the year that this engine was made. So that's the way you tell with a Briggs & Stratton engine. The first 2 digits of this engine code tells you the year. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with it. I'm tempted to do a full restore on it, pull the motor, everything down, paint it. The only problem with that is I just really don't know if I have the time. I got too many other projects. So let me know what you think. I used to work for a snapper dealer many years ago, part-time. So I know a little bit about it, but it's been a long time. So I'm probably either going to relearn some stuff or learn it for the first time, one or the other. The engine doesn't really leak oil. See a lot of oil there. But what I did is I knew better. I stood it up in my shed with oil in it yet. And it runs out when you do that. I wasn't going to leave it stored that long, but it ended up being there all season. Had a few other things I needed to get in, so. But here she is. It's got some good tires on it. Haven't really done much to it, with the exception of I had to replace those bolts there because the person I bought it off of, his brother just put regular 3/8 bolts through there instead of the right bolts, so I had to go get them. About a year ago, I ordered a blade for it and never got around to picking her up. So we'll have to go get another blade, I think. One of the things I have a problem with is not cutting even and scalping a little bit. And I believe the deck might be bent. I'm not 100% sure of that yet. I tried to adjust the blade with the adjusters they have, but that didn't do a whole lot of good. So for tonight, I think what I'm just going to do is try to get this deck off of it. Start going that route. The other issue I had is the reason I stopped running it was whenever I put her in gear, something rubs. Like a pulley rubbing on metal, like a piece of metal might be loose hitting the pulley, and I'm not sure where that is yet, so I need to find that out. Okay, I bought a new battery for it. I have to put that in. This was a rig that I made up before for the old battery I had. I had the wrong battery, had the wrong terminal on the wrong side. I got the right battery now, so I put the the other battery in the John Deere that we did the engine swap on. There'll be a link to that video somewhere up and around there. Okay, since the camera shut off, I'll explain what I did. There's chains that hang right there, hang your deck for different height adjustment. I took them off, lowered the deck all the way to the ground, took the cover off. That covers the pulleys. I checked the pulleys. All the pulleys are nice and tight, not wobbling around. Under here there's a bar I'm going to take out. I need to take the snap rings off the bar and slide the bar out, and then the deck should come off. Get the belt off. The belt looks good. It's not wore down to the pulley and hitting the center of the pulley, so that may even be reused. But I may just go ahead and get another belt just since I'm in here doing all this, which is the most likely thing that's going to happen. Alright, once we get this all disassembled, probably tomorrow we'll give it a good bath, get it all cleaned up, get everything ready to go. That way, like I said, let me know in the comments whether you think I should go all the way and repaint this, make it as new as possible, or just get her going. Okay, we're going to bring in here. This is a drive disc. Okay, it's a little chewed up. It's been driving pretty fine. Something I do see though, what I think is my noise. What I think the noise is my brake is rubbing. Okay, so when I put it in gear, I think that's what I'm hearing when it engages. As soon as I start to drive, something rattles and rubs, and we could use a new disc. So I'll probably look into ordering one of them, see how much they are. Probably order it online, probably get it cheaper. Cables don't look bad. I like how that one's being run, but other than that, it looks good. I'm going to probably pressure wash all this out, clean it all out really good. Don't know if the gearbox is leaking. We'll probably top that off, so we'll see. But for the most part, things seem to be pretty good. Okay, that's going to be it for tonight. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with this thing, and maybe we'll follow your suggestions. But before you leave this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and let others know. And thanks for watching.